Hello, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to OSS channel. Today we are going to see how to set up a Linux virtual environment on your Windows laptop. So to get it done, what we needed is we need Oracle VirtualBox software, and that can be downloaded from the Google. Oracle VirtualBox download. Okay, this is what you need to search over the Google, and this is the first link that you need to click on it and just open it into the new tab. And here you need to click on Windows host. And yeah, why Windows host? Because this application is going to install on Windows machine, as we are using the Windows machine. Just click on it. So once you click on it, the download of this VirtualBox will begin, and it will take some time. The other one is what we needed is we need an ISO file of CentOS operating system. And how to download it? CentOS ISO file download. Okay, and this is the what you call the URL for the CentOS ISO download. This is the operating system DVD. Rather than, as we are using the Oracle VirtualBox, so rather than using the DVD, you can use the ISO file, virtual file, that can be used to install the OS. So this is yeah, this is opening for CentOS 7, as we are going to see it for CentOS 8. We need CentOS 8 operating system. So that is why when you are typing it CentOS ISO file download, you are going to see this download CentOS and click on the first link. Here you need to open that link. Also you can make use of CentOS 7.9 as well, as we are going to learn CentOS 8 in the class, Unix administration class. So that is why I am going to show you the download process for CentOS 8. It is taking longer time. So meanwhile, what you can do when you are searching for this particular keywords right in the Google search, then you will be able to see this link. You can click on this link, either this one where you will be able to find it CentOS 7, and here you will be able to see the CentOS 8, and this URL is taking longer time maybe. So meanwhile you can click on this link. This is the same process you need to follow for CentOS 8 as well. So that is I'm going to show you the CentOS 7.9 ISO download process. So once you click on any URL which is listed over here, like these are the mirror list, any URL which you click on it, you will be able to see this kind of list of files under the index. And the file which you need to download is the this one is 4.4, the 9. Okay, this one you need to download, CentOS 7 everything, which is more more in size. The file you need to download which is more in size from the list. So if you look at this list, you will be able to see this is the 9.5 GB, and this will this is the one 9.6 GB. So you need to click on this file. Once you click on this file, the ISO download will begin, and once you downloaded this ISO, you can install the operating system by creating a new VM. We will see how to create the new VM. So okay, this is what you will get, CentOS stream, and here you need to click on 8, and once you click on it, right, so you just need to click on the architecture which you are having, as we are will be having the 64-bit. If anybody is having any other architecture, they can click on these different platforms, but for me it's 64 one, so I'm clicking on it, and this is the URL. This is these are the list of mirrors which will provide CentOS 8 ISO. So I'm clicking on any of the mirror list, and there you will be able to see these many list of files, and among those what you need to do, you need to click on the file which is more in size. So here I can see 11 GB of size, so click on this file. The ISO download process will get started, and this is also there, but you can click on any one of them. That doesn't make there is no difference. Okay, and now as we have downloaded the Oracle VirtualBox, I will show you the process of installation of Oracle VirtualBox, and then after I will show you how to create a virtual machine. And okay, let me open this. we'll be having the OS installation video. Smart screen can't be reached out now. Okay, run. Okay, we'll be having OS installation process in our different next video. Okay, what it is saying, yeah, this error you might get when you are trying to install the Oracle VirtualBox. So for this issue you need to download Microsoft Visual C++ 2019. Then after that is the dependency. Once you install this, you will be able to install the Oracle VirtualBox. So let me download this Microsoft Visual C++ 2019. Okay, Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 download redistributable. That is what it was saying. Download. Okay. Latest. Okay, download is there. Let me try to download it and install it. Okay, this is x86 64. This one you need to download, that is 32-bit. This is the 64-bit distribution. So we are our machine is 64-bit. Then I'm downloading this and I will install this. Then after I will be able to, it was saying 2019, right? 2019. Okay. Okay, here it is. This one we need to download it. Okay, it will take. Okay. So once you download, need to install this application, and then after we will be able to install the Oracle VirtualBox, as we are having the installation error. And these are the different links for CentOS 7 and 8. So you can make use of any one for a time being. Then after you can explore for CentOS 8 as well. And this is how you need to search for the ISO file over the internet for the CentOS machine. And we are going to complete our class over the CentOS operating system itself. It is taking longer time. And we are not going to cover the OS installation part in this video. We will be having the different what you call session for OS installation. Okay, we got this application now. We will be installing this, and then after we will be able to install our Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, what it's saying, you must restart your computer before you can use the software. Okay, for now I'm clicking on close, and let me try whether I will be able to install Oracle VirtualBox or not. Downloads. Okay. Okay, I'm able to now. So click, just you don't need to look after any other option, just click on next, and network interface is okay. This will stop your network interface, so that is fine. We are not going to use it meanwhile. So click on yes, proceed with the installation, install yes. So this will install the Oracle VM VirtualBox 7.0.2 setup. Once the installation has been done, we will be able to create the new virtual machine. I'm going to cover it Oracle. Okay, I'm going to cover it how to create a virtual machine inside the Oracle VM application, and later our session will be seeing the OS installation process. So this is how it will look like once you download and install the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. This is how it will look like. And if you wanna create a new virtual machine, then click on new option, and here mention the name of this machine. What we are going to install, it's CentOS. Let me put it as a server. So this is the first machine that I'm going to create, and I'm going to have it as a server one. Here you need to select the ISO image if you downloaded it, else that is fine, you can select it later as well. So for now I'm not going to give any value over here. And this is the folder where you are going to save the VirtualBox files. So please make sure your C drive will be having enough space so that it can hold the files which we are going to create, like what we are having. Let me see, the C drive I'm having enough space, 184 GB of free, so I do not have any issues creating under C drive. And okay, yeah, type Linux, and this is Red Hat Linux 64-bit. So the ISO will be the 64-bit, so that is why we are selecting as a 64-bit option over here. And type is Linux operating system we are going to install. Then click on next, and here you need to select the what you call system resources. This is the base memory, how much RAM you are going to allocate it for this virtual machine, and how many CPUs you are going to add to this virtual machine. You can add it 1, 2 or 4, whatever the numbers you are comfortable with. Your system will be having system should have enough what you call the resources, so that you can align those resources to this virtual machine itself. And click on next. I'm going to give 2 CPUs and 2048 MB, that means 2 GB. That is enough. If you are going to create a virtual machine, then please use these values, that's fine. Click on next and create a virtual disk now, and I'm going to keep it as a 30 GB, not 20 GB. So 30 GB size will be enough, and this size is going to store under the C drive where the folder structure was specified in our initial step. Use existing virtual hard disk file, we do not have any, so that is why we're not selecting it. Do not add a virtual hard disk. So yeah, we need a virtual hard disk so that we'll be able to install the OS. And this is the limit where you can create the disk size file, like till 2 TB, but we do not have that much space on the machine, so we're not going to create it. Click on the next. So these are the machine details which you are going to create, like how much RAM is there on the machine, and how many CPUs are there, and how much disk size you are going to give it. So you can see those details over here. If you want, you can change these details later as well. For now we are okay with the details which we are which we have already given. So now click on finish. So this is how you can create the new virtual machine inside the Oracle VirtualBox Manager. And once you got the ISO file, what we are going to see and how we are going to install the OS, that we will be seeing in next class, next video session. Thank you so much for your time, and bye bye.